Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to enter code in McDonald's app. So let's get into the video. So open up the McDonald's app and log into your Mac account. So once I've logged into your account, so what you need to do, you're going to click on this My Mac option here. Click on My Mac and then choose a coupon or a voucher that you want to use. So for example, open it up, and then what you're going to do, you're going to click on this redeem option. So when you click on redeem option, it has this scan in restaurant. See, depends, sometimes you can use this code only in restaurants or sometimes in online orders. So based on the voucher, you'll see that. So what you have to do is simply click on redeem, and for example this one is a scan in restaurant or voucher, so click on it and that will give you the code to scan, so something like this. So once you click on redeem, you will see a code something like this. So now you can use this code either on the kiosk machine. So if you go to the store, you just need to let them know this QR code or this code number here below. So just enter this code on the kiosk or the order machine, so that it's in that way you can redeem it. Or else if you are using online, or if you're ordering online, so when you check out, when you under the voucher or promo code, simply type in this code here and then you will be able to redeem if this code is applicable for online purchase. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.